Hope you all are doing good and your preparations are okay. Let us solve quickly one question or few questions on quadratic equation. And the question which we have taken today is that if the roots of the equation a square plus b square times x square, right? If this is the equation given to us, minus 2 times ac plus bdx, 2 times ac plus bd into x, right, plus c square plus d square plus c square plus d square, this is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation given to you. Then we need to prove that. What we need to prove? We need to prove a by b is equal to c by d. This need to be proved, right? So students, the condition given is that if the roots of the equation are equal, right? So it's given that roots are equal. When the roots will be equal? Roots will be equal when the discriminant of the above quadratic equation is 0, right? Roots equal, that implies d is equal to 0, right? And what is the formula of d? If the quadratic equation into the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then d is nothing but b square minus 4ac, and which can be equated to 0. So for the above question, this is the quadratic equation given to you, right? So just set on the given discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. So I think this is a power failure. Okay. So students, just yeah. So here you can see b square. So b over here is minus 2 times ac plus bd, right? So in place of b, just write minus 2 times ac plus bd, and this will be the whole square, because you can see b square. So in place of b square, right, it will be minus 2 times ac plus bd whole square. Just visualize the above equation, okay, and just put up the value for the discriminants. Minus 4 times a into c, so it will be minus 4 times a. What is the value of a? The coefficient of x square. And what is x square here? What is the coefficient of x square? Basically it's a square plus b square, right? So just multiply it with coefficient of x square, that is a square plus b square. You can just see above equation, right? Multiplied with c. What is c? C is the constant term. So constant term in our quadratic equation is c square plus d square. C square plus d square, right? And this is equated to 0, right? So just solve this, then obviously we'll be getting a by b equal to c by d, right? So when you square it, minus 2 whole square. Hi Soul Gaming, hello, good morning. Minus 2 whole square will be 4, and ac plus bd whole square will be coming, and you just push the second term into the RHS, it will be 4 times a square plus b square into c square plus d square. Here 4 and 4 will be cancelled out, and we have ac plus bd whole square. Just expand, it will be a square c square plus b square d square plus 2 times ac into bd. this will be the LHS, and into the RHS just multiply both these terms. So this will be a square c square and a square d square plus b square c square plus b square d square. Right? Now here you can see a square c square and a square c square is cancelled out. Hi Thomas, no, it's not bomb dust, it's board mass. Okay, but here we are not applying it. So and b square d square, you can see this is also cancelled out into the LHS and RHS, and we are left with what? We are left with 2 AC into BD is equal to a square d square plus b square c square. Right? Now when you just bring this term into the LHS, then we can write 0 is equal to a square d square plus b square c square minus 2 times ac into bd. Right? So students, here you can see AD in pair, AD is surviving and BC. So just make a pair of A and D. Right? Make a pair of A and D and make a pair of B and C. This one. Right? When you make it, what will happen? I'm just keep 0 into the LHS, though it's kept into the RHS. Okay, so we can write a square d square as AD whole square and b square c square as BC whole square, right, minus 2 times, when you just change the pair, it can be written as AD multiplied with BC. Right? When you just put it into this formula, put it into this arrangement, what will happen? You can see this is x square, this is y square minus 2xy. So this is nothing but x minus y whole square. Okay. Hi Soul Gaming, please simplify. Yeah, sure, my dear friend, sure. So this we can, you from here we can write the RHS as equal to x minus y whole square. So the above simplified version of the quadratic equation can be written as x square plus y square minus 2 times xy, where x is AD, y is BC. So we can write 0 as equal to AD minus BC whole square, isn't it? If you write it like this, then what will happen? Then you can write, if this AD minus BC whole square is 0, then we can write AD minus BC is equal to 0, right? And then we can write into the next line as AD is equal to BC, because BC is pushed into the LHS, right? And from here we can write, what we can write? We can write the required thing which we need to prove. We need to prove A by B equal to C by D, right? So here put it A as it is into the LHS and bring B from RHS to the denominator of LHS. So it will be A by B, right? So A is covered, B is covered, and into the RHS just leave C as it is, divided by push this D from LHS to the RHS. So it will be C by D, right? So this is the same thing which we are about to prove, isn't it? This is the same thing which we are about to prove. This is A by B equal to C by D, right? So in this way, students, we have proved this, right? We have proved it, right? And in this way we have solved this question. Thank you so much for watching, students. For any query you can put up into the comment box. Hey, yeah, Soul Gaming, yes, tell me, my dear friend. Yeah, I can see your concept is very clear. Yeah, Thomas Crown, yeah, board mass is there, but we are not applying it over here. Okay, So basically we need to understand that if the roots are real, right? Into the question is given that if the roots of the equation are equal, okay. So if they are equal, definitely they are real. If the roots are equal, then discriminant is equated to 0. If discriminant is equated to 0, then definitely in the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, put up all the values and you can just see a by b equal to c by d, right? So thank you so much for watching, students. Thank you so much. Be connected. Take care. Bye bye. Happy learning. See you.